How to Remove Passkey on Roblox, 2025 Updated Guide. Welcome back to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for simple and clear tech tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the Passkey login option on Roblox, step by step, using the updated 2025 method. Let's get started. First, let's understand what a passkey is. A passkey lets you sign in to Roblox without typing your password, using your device's security like fingerprint, Face ID, or screen pin. It's secure and fast, but if you want to remove it or switch back to regular password login, here's how. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the official Roblox website, roblox.com. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Step 2. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the menu. If you're using mobile, tap the three dots and then go to Account Settings. Step 3. In your settings, click on the Security tab. Here, you'll see all security features including two-step verification, device PIN, and passkey login. Step 4. Find the passkey section. Next to your registered passkey device, click Remove or Delete Passkey. Roblox will ask you to confirm your action. Click Yes or Confirm to remove it. Step 5. Once you remove the passkey, Roblox will go back to using your username and password for login. You can also re-enable passkey later anytime by selecting Add Passkey in the same section. Bonus tip: if you're using Roblox on multiple devices, like phone, tablet, and PC, make sure you remove the passkey from each one individually. This ensures your account doesn't try to auto-log in with old saved credentials. And that's it! You've successfully removed the passkey from your Roblox account using the 2025 updated method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials every week. This is How to Mastery, helping you master every how-to one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.